my daughters will attempt taking my life. No, not at all. I think there is more to this dream. Yes. But what could it be? I don't have any problem with anybody. God, I know there is more to this dream. But I'm asking you, God, take perfect control.
How are you?
I'm fine, my love.
Well, I can see you are coming back from farm.
Yes.
Wow. Please, I beg you, take it easy on this farm thing, please. Okay? Please take it easy.
How can I take it easy? It's a means of survival.
My goodness. Well, it's well, just take it easy, that's what I know, okay? And who are those pretty ladies?
They're my cousins.
Your
Olachi
cousins?
and Nkiru.
Okay. That's good, And please, make out time. Let's see, please. Okay? Let's see, it's been a while. I've missed you so much. Please.
I missed you too. But sure.
Are you
I'll
sure
make
you
our
missed?
time.
Okay, fine. That's good. Okay? I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Okay, baby. I'll miss
Bye.
you. Alright, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay,
Bye.
take care.
You're welcome, Nai. Nai, my heart is troubled.
Your heart is troubled. Your heart is troubled. What kind of trouble?
Nai, you're welcome. Like I said, my heart is troubled.
What kind of trouble is that?
Nai, I had a terrible dream. Very terrible.
A terrible dream?
Yes.
And what is it all about?
We went to weed our farm. And that one at Ubolo.
Yes.
Me and my daughter. My daughters want to kill me.
This is really terrible. We must have to be very, very careful.
Yes, Nai.
We must have to be very careful.
Yes.
This is not just a dream.
We have to also be very prayerful.
Yes, it is a revelation. It is a revelation. All right. Let's go in first.
Ada.
Mama, I want to go and see Emeka. He sent for me.
I hope all is well.
Mama, all will be well now, but I don't know. When let me get there.
Okay. Okay, now you can go.
Okay.
You can go. But come back quick.
Okay, see you.
Ada. Ada.
Yes, ma'am.
Please come. See, remember all I told you about men.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Trust the other Beke.
Be very careful.
Mommy, I am. See you.
Okay, come back quick. Oh.
Okay.
Atako,
Amy,
how many times did I call you?
2 times.
2 times.
Yeah.
How could you?
Could I have done what?
I trusted you. I love you with all my heart. But why? You know what? Just turn back and leave.
Alice, I have to know.
Leave my house now, please. Just leave. I don't want to commit sin. Please, leave. Please. Leave! Dark. Stop. If you really want to know what you did and why I'm upset with you, please come back. You know, I've been thinking and I have concluded that you are the woman for me. Please, I ask you, Adako, will you marry me? Please.
My heart almost failed me. Yes! Yes, I will marry you. Today, tomorrow. Always forever.
You mean Emeka proposed to you?
My sister. That is it's amazing.
And what was the response to him?
Yes, my love. I will marry you.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
Thank
I'm so happy
you.
for you. So finally, you accepted to become somebody's wife.
My sister. See, I feel so important now.
Yeah.
At least if I'm going out, they will say, sweetheart, are you going out? If I'm back, they will say, sweetheart, are you back? Then sometimes somebody will call me mommy, mommy.
I'm a maid mad too.
You know that.
I'm so happy. Yeah. Mama will be waiting for us. Yeah. Let's go. Let's hurry up. Mama.
Papa.
Nkiru.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, Papa.
Where's your mother?
She went to the market.
Oh, okay. What about Olachi?
She went out.
She went out, as usual.
Yes, Papa.
Guess where I'm coming from?
Papa, you know I'm not good at guessing.
Just once, guess.
Papa, tell me now.
From your uncle Ikemba's house.
Oh. Yeah. Hope all is well, Papa.
All is well, oh, good news for him. He wants to start business.
Uncle Ikemba.
Apart from his farming, yes.
Her business.
He said he wants to start business so that he can take care of his, he said, useless daughters. I told him, say, don't say useless daughters. They are children given to you by God. How can you call them useless? Said, no, he wants to see how they can become like man. Anyway, he said for him to be able to take care of his daughters, he would need, that's why he wants to start business. And for the business, he needs some more money. He said he has saved 250,000.
Okay.
And I said, so you need more money. I said, how much? He said, 150,000. I said, well, you are lucky. You are very lucky because my son will be sending me money.
Papa.
What is wrong with that? He's my brother. There's nothing wrong. But he will be sending me money, and I can give him some out of it, and he can start his business. So, but I asked him how much does he actually need. He said 150,000 naira. I said, good. I can give you 100,000 now, and then later, in a week's time or so, I can give him the remaining 50,000.
Cool.
He was happy because he wants to do business.
Okay, Mama.
Hey, Biafra, what is the meaning of this?
Love, okay. Love. Yes, that is what it means.
Hey, Obi, you don't suffer. Ufere, stay away from me. I will not warn you again, no. Stay away from me, Ufere.
Obi, what are you warning me for? Oh! You think I'm not serious?
How? Obi Ageri, Itaga Fofo. What kind of problem is this one, Ufere?
Love is not a problem. Love is love and happiness.
I don't blame you, Ufere.
Please, can I ask you something very important?
Hurry up, I don't have time to waste. Hey! Obi, you don't suffer. Me, Obi Ageri. Ufere, just look at me very well. Just look at me very well. Me, Obi Ageri, marry you. Eh, Ufere?
Don't man my ring. You know I like doing this natural. I love him.
Bia Ufere, me, Obi Ageri, I cannot marry you. I cannot marry a fool like you. Excuse me.
Hey! Did I fall? Did I fall? Obagari, you push me now. Hey! Did you even say yes or no? That means yes is the answer. Maybe she pushed me in a yes man.
So, Mama, Uncle Uzomba gave Papa such amount of money just like that. He's such a nice man. No?
Will you shut up your mouth there, you fool? Uncle Uzomba, my foot.
And what is 150,000 naira that he cannot give out for?
Here.
I know it is nothing, but it is also something. Because I also know that Papa cannot do it for anybody. Not even Uncle Uzomba and his family.
Hey, shut up! Michelle Nogang. You see? I wonder who you are. Amakwa maybe she be oh. Eh? I wonder what your father ate the day I slept with him and gave birth to you.
Mama!
Hey, shut up! I'm still talking. Wonyara. Eh?
Mama, wait now.
Mama Chirigodi, I want to ask you, are you sure this girl is really our sister? Eh?
I've been thinking about it. Because I don't know if you are the really child I gave birth to in that maternity.
I don't like her sitting where we are discussing family matters, Mama. And so, if you people don't mind, I think I want to leave.
Sit down there. She's the person that will leave here. Oh yeah, Doma, bed up.
Get out! Come on, leave here right now.
Mama, I'm telling you.
I take it out!
Come on, Shingafu. Let on.
Hey, Mama.
I will kill this girl.
Mom, hold on. Leave her for me.
I'm sorry.
Get your filthy hands off me.
Adaku, stop it. She can't just do that. We are her sisters. Besides, it was a mistake.
Please, I'm sorry. Come inside, let me give you another clothes to change. You can one name.
Wonder shall never end. Because your stupid father gave my father little money the other day. That's why you want to give me clothes to wear. Okwaya? Adaku! What? She wants to tell me that they are richer than us.
Ada, why are you saying all this?
Nkiru, don't worry. We shall see.
Nkiru, please don't mind my sister. You know she's always like that. She talks carelessly. Let me help you spread your clothes. Sorry, oh, one name. Sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, come. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Summer girl. This love not always down, always
down. Oh my girlie. Seriously. Yes, that should be my guy. Let me check if he's okay. Absolutely. Just a moment, baby. Hey, my guy. Hey, my guy.
Mama, that's fine. You couldn't even wait for me to come before it starts.
Oh, my baby. See, this is an endless celebration. Thanks to Charity, who introduced me to the man that helped me to clear my goods.
Come on, baby. Must you?
Of course, yes. You must celebrate too. In fact, this celebration is bored. Could you please go out to the hottest place in the town? All bees on me.
In that case, let me go and change it to something more better. Okay. Hey, Zubi!
Come on, man, let's man. Go.
Guys, no mistakes. I saw her going to the market and I believe she's on her way coming back. I want her to be disgraced the way she did to me.
Adak. So what exactly do you want us to do for you?
I want you to do with her. Rape her, tear her clothes, so that she will be disgraced the way she did to me.
And how do you expect us to take such risk? What if the girl carries sickness?
No. She's my cousin. She's still a virgin.
So, how much is involved here?
30K.
Wow, 30K.
30K. Striker! Dagger!
What's I do to you?
Deal?
Deal.
Adako! Do you know why they call me Point One? Do you?
You're good.
I've been waiting for you to pass.
For what?
Hey. Obi, my love, have you accepted my proposal?
Ufere, look at me very well. I'm not your type. Please go out there and look for your type.
You're my type, oh. As far as I, Ufere, is concerned, you're my type. I will keep on disturbing you in this community until you agree to marry me.
I can see you have gone crazy. Now can you get out of my way?
I will not get out. I will not get out, Obi. I'm not going to community. I will keep on disturbing you. I'm not Ufere. I will keep on disturbing you until you agree to marry me.
Ufere, get this into this your dumb skull that both of us are not in the same class. Come on, get out of my way.
Obi, so you can go to school. So you are still going to school. When I, Ufere, have already graduated since, you are still...
Come and give me my money. You may go for the bread and granite you ate. Because you may go before you disappear. Because...
See, let me tell you, don't insult me. Don't insult me, I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Huh? How much even the bread and granite that I'm eating? They will not allow me to hear what?
400 is the money. Please give it to me. Because
so, ordinary 400, that is why you are disturbing me. Do you have 1,000 naira change?
Yes, I have. Bring it.
Something is burning inside.
Hey! Ufere! Ufere! Ufere, come on! Hey! Ufere! No problem. You must come back. We shall see. You see what I'm here also. You got a letter. Get your make them. Mula grab come up a level, ma. Bobby, you got a tell. Get your make them. We rega. You get here. I'm going to get you also. So bad.
Oh, I'm fine. How is everyone at home? Daddy, don't tell me you have finished the money I sent you recently. Eh? Okay, no problem. Just tell mommy and my sisters that by month end I will be home, okay? Papa, you guy. I am serious this time. I'm very serious. Alright, Papa. Thank you. Bye. Honey, my father he's a guy, man. I have not seen.
You don't need to tell me, even from you. Like father, like son.
You can say that again.
Papa! What happened? Who did this to you?
Papa.
Huh? Who did this to you?
What is happening?
Come on. See your daughter.
Hey! Kiri, what is it?
Who did this to you?
Kiri, who did this to you?
They raped me.
Hey!
What?
Hey! Oh, Fube! Who did this to you?
3 men. They raped me and my wife far from them and took my money.
Oh, Fube! Hey! These people, they will never see good.
Amen.
Whoever did this, it shall never be well with you people.
Amen.
They will never go unpunished.
Oh, they will never.
Will
Never.
never go unpunished.
Hey, what have I done to anybody?
They'll never go unpunished.
What have I done to anybody?
I don't know. I don't know.
Come, take her.
It's okay. They will never go unpunished.
Oh, sorry. Eh?
That's fine.
Hi. Bamba.
I hope this one. Put that one. So how much? 280. Okay. Hey. How much?
Come on, Kiri.
How are you?
I'm fine. You came for a shopping.
I came for a shopping.
You bought all this. Yay! Both cream, both milk. Yay! All these things, they must be very expensive.
Oh, well, just about 3,000.
3,000
Yes.
just? Just?
It's not up to what?
Eh, what?
But,
Mama Kiru,
and
you are calling 3,000 naira just? Hey!
it's 2018. It's not much.
Hey, what? Hey! Hi! I was on my way to the market. I said, let me just greet you.
Okay, my dear. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey.
This one that you are standing like that, anything?
Money is many 800.
Ah!
Yes.
Oh, sorry, one. Jide, hold this.
Hey, I'm on my way to the market too.
Okay, to the market.
Yes. I just say let me go and buy something. Okay. And I just let me do it. It's very necessary.
Yeah, it's very necessary.
We'll see
at home.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yes, get my change now. I'm coming, I'm coming. Change your as I won't wait. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me.
Mama Lachi, come here and sit on the ground.
Don't you dare say that again.
Papa Chuka, your wife is a thief.
Yes. How can she be a thief?
She's a thief.
How can
She
she
stole
be?
a handset.
A handset?
Yes.
It's a lie. A big lie.
What the mute?
Hey.
What the mute?
Hey.
Sing aloud and let us go back to our various houses.
Yes.
Mama Lachi, Oyoshifo.
I am 100% sure. I was there when everything happened. Yes.
Hey!
That's good. She's a thief.
Yes.
Mama Lachi. Oyoshifo.
It's not true. I know Auntie Didamaka cannot steal. She's a nice woman.
She stole the phone. She's a thief.
Yes, she's a thief.
I disagree with you people. Because I know Auntie Demaka is not a thief. I believe someone did that just to tarnish her image.
Ugochi! So this is how you are? Eh? I've been saying it. Eh? I am not sure you are my daughter. I am not sure. So this is how you are?
You see, you are the only person in position to tell you who brought her in this world. If she didn't come from you, from where did she come?
Nanya, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You gave birth to her, yet you don't
I
know.
am not sure. Yeah. Maybe they exchanged her in the maternity.
Papa, even you.
Papa, I said it. This girl cannot be my sister. She cannot be my sister. Now get up and leave this place. I said leave this place this minute.
I will leave. But I'm telling you the truth. You
shut up and leave.
Stop doing it.
Hey, come on.
The truth.
Mogu. Get out. Huh?
Oh, please, let's go and prepare something. Let's go and prepare food for the evening. If you like, come back quick. Stupid girl.
Hey! Eh?
Please cheer up. Big one. Cheer up.
Because Mama disgraces us in this community like this. Does she even know what it means for a woman like her to steal?
Olachi,
Papa.
so you also think that your mother is a thief? Huh? You think that she'll take something that does not belong to her? Is that what you think?
Papa, then who did? Who did? Olachi, will you keep quiet? And why will you call Mama a thief? And what makes you think that Mama will steal? I'm so ashamed of you, Olachi. Wait, are you in any way trying to insult me? And I will do more than that. Because you just insulted Mama. Not only Mama, but the whole family.
Kiru, it's alright, it's alright. I married your mother. I know what she can do. I know that she can never take something away that does not belong to her.
I know Mama is not a thief. I should never think of doing that. Someone else must have done that just to mess her up. Someone else indeed.
How are you? We are not okay. Chikuka, we are not okay. Eh? See, we are suffering the shame and disgrace brought upon by your mother. Your mother. We're not fine. We are full of shame. Eh? Can you imagine your mother went to a supermarket and stole phone? Can you imagine that? So what else? Who did that? Yeah.
You are very wicked and heartless, Papa. Why are you like this? What is your gain?
If we're not happy,
may God have mercy on you, Papa.
Will you give me that phone? If we're not happy, why you to snatch phone I was using to make a call?
Honey, what's the problem? You don't look alright. What's eating you up? Talk to me, please.
Everything is wrong. I mean, why should I be alright? Everything is absolutely wrong.
Everything? Like how? Explain. I don't understand.
I'm so ashamed of myself because of what I had. How could my mother?
You mean your mother?
Yes, my uncle told me that my mother stole a common handset and was beaten up by the angry youths like a child. How can?
And you believe that? You know, ever since you told me about your uncle, since you left for the city, he has never flashed, let alone calling your line. So why should he be the one to break such news? I don't trust your uncle. I don't trust him. You know what? Have you called your sisters?
Not at the moment.
No. Honey, you have to. So that I can know the truth. That's just simple. Yeah. You should call them. Alright. I prepared your favorite. Can we go in so I can eat?
you sure I still have appetite for that meal?
Just try. Be okay for me, okay? Let's go.
Papa, you mean you told Chukwuka what happened?
Immediately, straight away, so he will know his mother is a thief.
Kenga one. Papa Mo. Papa, you are too much.
Yeah.
In fact, in my next word, you will continue to be my father.
Breaking news. Let me tell you people now. I, Njideka, was the one that took that phone and put it in her bag.
Hey! Mama Mo. Mama, I never knew you are this smart. In fact, Mama, me, Oluchi, I'm so proud of you. Mama.
The day I saw you close to a shop, I knew you were up to something.
You know what I got?
Are we joking?
Nemo! 3 months ago, Mama.
Boza! Boza! Boza!
Mary, what is it?
Upon all the money we brought Chuka, they give him mama and a family. His mother still get mind to go to person phone.
Mamu kuneze.
This life.
Hey, but wait, are you serious? Or you're just joking?
I'm sure that woman is a thief.
Mary.
She be.
Mary.
What is that? What is that?
Be sure of what you say. Hey, Amaka. Good woman. Why won't you allow me to hear this interesting news? Please.
I hope you're not seeing as a gossip.
That is exactly what you are, Mary. Well, 99 days is for the thief. But 1 day is for the owner of the house, including people like you in this village. When you both are done gossiping, you come and meet me.
I'm a boy. See, touch right.
Yeah, okay, how are you? Yeah, good morning, my darling sister. Okay, please listen to me. There is something I want to find out from you. I believe if every other one lies to me, it's not you, NK. Alright. Uncle Ikenga called to inform me that Mama stole a phone in the village and was beaten mercilessly. Is that true? NK, did such thing happen? Okay. Please tell no one about this call, okay? Keep it private. Alright. Yeah, thank you, bye.
Nkiru, I can see you've gone crazy. Or is there something wrong with you? Have you gone nuts?
Olachi, I'm not crazy. Because Mama told me she was the only person in that shop when she came in.
Enough of all this accusation. I am going to Uncle's house now to tell the wife what you just said now.
You can go and tell her, who cares? She's very wicked.
I don't blame you. Let me see those your useless friends here again.
You think you're better than them? They are very much better than you, Olachi.
Enough. Don't you ever tell me things that itches my ear next time.
Don't be a coward. Don't be a coward. That a lizard always nod its head does not mean that all is well.
And it's the ignorance of the rat that makes it call for a battle. Fool. Excuse me.
Olachi! Good afternoon, Nkiru. Where are you people going by this time of the day?
Yes, we are going to withdraw money that my brother sent for us.
Hey!
Yes.
Money! Yeah. Hey! Like how much?
150,000.
How? Hey! That is a very big money. You know what? You people should start going now so that the people that give money will not close quick. I know now. Aziza. Yes, now he will give us our own. Hey, you people can go, eh? Okay. Go quick before the bank people will close. Hey! 150,000 naira. Hey, that is a very big money. Hey! Ah!
Where's the money? Will you shut your mouth and go down now?
Yes, sir.
You're still wasting time. For the last time, where is the money or else I'll plaster this Israel?
Don't shoot anyone.
Fast!
Here's the money. Take it.
Good boy!
I'm taking them.
What are we going to do now? God, what is this? What is happening? Hey. What are we going to do?
The evil men do live after them. Wherever you sow, that you shall reap. What goes up must come down.
Who did this to us? Eh? Who did this to us? Is this not the same money that my husband Ikemba said he will come and collect his own share this morning? Eh? Hey!
They have taken everything that we have in the house.
Hey!
Just look at me.
Are you trying to tell me that the 10,000 you promised me to come and take today for my fruit business, I won't go home with it?
Go and ask them. Go and take it from them.
Now you have not eaten since morning. Please, let's go inside so that you can eat. Biko.
I am not hungry.
And robber. And robber. Hi!
Mazi Uzomba. You see, the Lord that gave you this one will give you another one.
When? Which time?
Why are you saying which time? Eh? It was your son that brought this. And he is going to bring more of it. Don't you think so? N9.
Exactly.
As long as he's still alive, he's going to give us money. I'm
still surprised about hearing of armed robbers in this our community. How come this one?
My brother, if you ask me, now who I go ask? But the truth is that before someone stays in this community and goes free, an indigene of this community must be involved.
Hi. This is really bad though. I just pray God will take care of the bereaved family.
And it shall never be well with whosoever that is involved.
I'm sure our ancestors will not be happy with anyone who has hand in this.
Yes.
Anyway, we all remember what happened to us 3 days ago. We are now left with nothing.
Papa, don't misunderstand me. I'm suspecting that Uncle Ikemba sent those robbers that took the money from us.
Shut your mouth, Nkiru. How dare you have such assumptions in you?
How do you think so?
Papa, the other day on our way to the bank, we met Uncle Ikemba's wife. All Archie here told her exactly where we are going to.
You did?
Yes, Papa. As if that's not enough, she also told her the exact amount Brother Chukwuka sent to us. Papa, is it not obvious?
Olachi,
Papa.
at your age, so you cannot make use of your senses.
Oh, Papa, that doesn't mean he planned it now. He cannot plan it.
All right. Let's leave it. What has happened has happened. Now let peace reign. All right?
Okay, Papa.
Okay, you can go.
Baby, excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, it's all over me. Why now?
Don't worry, I'll come back for you, okay? I'll give it to you however you want it. Okay?
Make it snappy.
Alright, baby. Alright.
I'm still waiting.
Oh, really, I'm sorry for taking your time, okay? I'm very, very sorry. Alright. How did my gold wristwatch got missing from this house? No. You don't know what I'm thinking. The only person that knows where I get that watch is Adako. Yes. Adako. No. She can't take my thing without my permission now. Can she? No. I don't want to reason that. I don't want to reason that at all. Could she be the one? No. I won't answer. I know what to do. I won't answer. I know what to do.
Why are you crying? I'm supposed to have started up my hairdressing salon with the money Brother Chukwuka sent to us. Now look at what has happened.
Okay, is that why you're crying? The future tells and it matters also.
Is it not enough reason for me to cry?
You don't cry.
Is
Better
it
days
not?
are ahead. No. Okay, just calm down. Don't worry. Let's go inside. Mama is calling you. Okay? Stop crying. You will still get another one. Stand up. Let us go. It's okay. I don't want you to cry again. Stand up. It's okay. You shouldn't be crying.
Here. What are you doing?
I'm doing my assignment.
Okay, your assignment.
Yes, Mama.
Cambridge. Cover it for now. See, you know you are very intelligent than your useless sisters. Your father said I should give you this money. This is 100,000 naira. Go to the bank. That bank at the market square. His bank. And deposit it there for him. Don't allow anybody to take it from you.
Okay, Mama.
In fact, anybody you meet on the road is a suspect.
Yes, Mama.
Hide it well and go to the bank and deposit it. Stand up.
This is a real money.
Hey. So I don't know what is money again. Will you put it back there?
But Mama, wait. Where did Papa get this money from? Because 2 days ago, he was crying for 10,000 naira. And overheard you people discussing about this money. I'm very, very sure you people know something about Uncle Uzomba stealing money. Let it not be what I'm thinking, oh. Mama! Mama! You will give me my neck! Mama! I'm warning you people, oh. You people should stop doing evil, oh. Hey, the day you start.
Where did this girl come from? Maybe I should. Let me go by myself.
You told me some time ago that you know how to make hair.
Yeah, that's true. Why do you ask?
Then what are you doing at home? Why can't you set your own shop so that I come there and be helping you out?
I have that in mind, just that I'm not cash-wise.
Have you forgotten? You told me that your brother promised to give you money immediately you finished learning.
Yes, my friend, he did as promised, but enemy robbed us from the money he sent.
What? Armed robbers took the money. Hey!
Yes, so my friend.
But wait, Nkiru, you are too secretive. You didn't even bother to tell me your friend.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my friend. Better things are yet to come.
Yeah, amen. Don't worry. It's well.
This hair seems beautiful.
My friend, you know I can do anything for you.
I
You
know
look
you're
beautiful, so
natural
the hair is supposed to look beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, babe.
Try to pattern this up.
Like fashion.
Summer girl is on the mic, shake a man the on the beat. If you greet or you no greet, I don't care. Oh. 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 This is the summer girl and I'm coming with my kind of flow. I'm dropping this song for the people waiting.
I'm going to miss you. Are you serious?
Chuka, my man. Don't tell me both of you are not traveling together.
Yes, of course. We're not traveling together. But very soon, I think the three of us will have to travel.
Yeah.
at least to see my family. It's hard time you get to know where I'm from, my guy. Don't you think so?
Please tell that your baby sister that you have a very good friend here in the city.
It's my guy, Zubi and women.
Chuka, you know what's up now.
Don't tell me you're already falling in love.
Chuka, you know what's up.
Now only her voice you hear.
Zubi, honey, have you taken care of the dog?
Yeah, he locked the door.
Okay, you guys should hop in. I'll drop you at the shop, okay?
Okay.
So I can quickly rush.
Okay, my man.
Some girls don't enter. I'm the queen entertainer. Now I'm moving the motor like sign window toe. Some girl bata, now me go be the matter. Some girl bata, now me go be the matter. So you can't block my way. So I don't care what you say. I don't care. 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 It's my girl. I'm okay. My whole neighborhood, man, I'm Zuruke, me. I know they see you, I'm blind like preachers. If I drive by, it's all about making cash. I'm all that, one neighbor activity. 247, Omuwaganangore. And when them guests chord the nice to Rockefeller. From east to west, my line gonna pick up. So
Oh my God,
sister!
Rachuka, I'm fine. Mama! Nkiru! Rachuka is back!
Where is Mama?
They are inside.
Wow! Mama Mwaga Batagu. I like the girl.
No.
Mama. Oh, Mama, you're not looking bad.
How can I look bad? Like that, I cannot.
I know what you want to say. I know. It is mine. Yes, Mama. Please check there is something in the car. Just get it out, okay?
This one is my own now.
Yes, Mama. You can say that again. Yes, in the car. Over here. Mama, will I check for you? It's check, it's not cash. Yes. I will write check for you, Mama.
I'm going to cook. You know that.
Oh,
you
I
know
trust
that.
you. I know, I can't
I
wait.
will cook. I will cook.
Don't
Give me.
I want to carry Diana.
Who is this August visitor? Hey!
Auntie.
Hey! Chubuka!
Hey, Auntie.
Is it you?
Oh, it's me.
Hey! Welcome, my son.
How are you, Auntie?
I am fine.
Yes, that's my car.
You know what no more? Chubuka,
Auntie.
little boy of yesterday, is now driving a motor car.
Hey.
You now have a motor car. Hey!
You lost up amazing.
Come and sit down. Come and sit down, my son. Come. Hey!
Auntie.
Hey!
How is everyone now? What about my uncle?
Your uncle. He went to see Uncle Udemba.
Oh.
Hi! Chukwuka. I know your father must be very proud of you.
Can't say that again.
Hey, whoa. Oh, how I wish I have a son that will make me proud like this.
Auntie, you don't have to sound like that. I'm not your son.
Yeah, you are my son.
I am.
You are my son.
Eh?
You are my son, no problem. Hey.
Well. Hey,
Yes.
what about my sisters? I've not seen them nor heard their voice.
Those mad ones.
Oh.
They've gone out as usual. Don't you know them, Adak?
Only you are home.
Yes, so.
Oh. Waka. It's,
So
well,
it's everything.
we thank
How
God.
is
though.
the city?
It's not easy everywhere, but God is faithful. You know, He has a way He rewards everyone. He's faithful. I have too many places to cover, so I have to be on my way now.
I hope you brought something for us.
Absolutely.
I know what you can do. I know what you can do, my son. Okay.
What we have available now.
Okay.
And so I hope you people will just manage this one from me. Just 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
Yes, auntie. Just manage for me so that I can get to see some other people around.
Open ego. Open ego.
What were you thinking it was, if auntie?
Chukwuka.
Eh?
You are calling 50,000 naira management. Eh? Hey, Chukwuka. Iriwa alonu. You know my kanda iriwa alonu. Oh, he lecha here at 50,000. Okay, management. This is not management now. This is a very big money. Hey, thank you, my son.
Thank God.
God
We
bless
thank
you,
God.
my son.
We thank
Hi.
God. And I have to leave now so that I can cover some other areas.
Okay. Okay.
Please, my regards to Uncle when he returns and my sisters.
I will tell him.
Chimo. What's the meaning of this now? I left my pot of Indomie here. Let me tell you what I'm thinking of. What kind of useless weather is this, eh? How can Ebuka take my pot of Indomie and... Ebuka! Ebuka!
Yes?
Just read Eba on your Indomie. Come and give me my food. Thief! How can you come and take my pot of Indomie and eat? Eh? Organic and Megnola.
Why do you call me?
Ebuka,
huh?
you want your Indomie. Where is my pot of Indomie?
When? Wait. I'm still surprised. Which Indomie are you talking about? The same Indomie I'm waiting for.
You're waiting for the Indomie.
Yes, now.
Indomie that you have already stolen. Eh?
When did I see your Indomie?
On your Indomie.
When?
I am more Binola. Are we living with spirits?
Ujunga, see. I can't take this anymore. It's like you just called me just to insult me. Eh? Just insult me because of say I never get work. Abi,
Lazy man.
if not that you are my sister, I could have beaten you black and blue. Just don't try it.
Ebuka, you see today, you must give me my food. You must give me my pot of Indomie. Enough is enough.
As you can see, I was doing something before you called me.
Doing gini.
So I have to.
Doing gini Najugi. Doing what? Eh? Today you must give me a pot of Indomie. Enough is enough.
Ujunwa. I'm holding myself, oh.
Your mates are out there hustling. You are here eating your...
I'm holding myself, oh.
Stealing my food on your Shindomi.
Don't touch me again.
Ebuka, do your worst, let me see. But today you must give me my food.
Ujunwa, don't touch me. For the last time.
If I touch you, what will happen?
If you do.
Gini game, eh?
Okay.
My friend, come back here.
Come back here, give me a plate of indomie. Oh,
Neighbors. Get one on te. Because I will kill you. I will kill you.
My friend, come back here. Come back here.
Ujungwa.
Ebuka.
I leave you alone
You
now.
will not do anything.
Ujungwa, I leave
You
you
will not
alone
do
now.
anything.
Ujungwa.
Ebuka.
Ujungwa, I leave you alone. Ujungwa, I leave you alone. Ujungwa, I
You will not do anything.
Ujungwa, leave me alone.
You will not do anything.
Ujungwa. Ujungwa, leave me alone.
You will not do anything.
Obimo! Obi, my baby. Hey, wow. Obi, you look so beautiful.
What? What are you doing here? What is the meaning of this?
Obi, stop all this gara you are doing. Obi, I've come to prove my love for you.
Love bukwegi. Love kill you there. Now get out of my house.
Hey, Obi, see, stop all this gara you are doing. No, I made a delicacy, a very sweet delicacy for you. I know you like it, Obi. let me open
Wow.
it. Let me open it.
What is that? Wow. It smells good. Thank you. You may now go.
Just like that. Obi, are we not going to do?
Now take this and get out of my house.
Obi, I could see him to Ishino. I could see him to Berishi. Obi, you know.
Take this and get out of my house.
Obi, you know I love you, Obi.
Okay, wait. Let me tell you something. I will prove my love for you.
Are you sure?
Come and sit
Are you
down.
sure, Obi?
Come and sit down. No, come and sit this. Fool! Idiot! Stupid woman being. Now get out before I change my mind and pour acid on you. Oh, you don't want to leave? Okay, I'm coming. Wait for me.
Hey! Hi! Ufere! Obi have insulted you. Hi! Love is wicked. Obi, if not that I love you. If not that I love you, Obi, ndog fam. No problem. Thank God that you even rejected the food. As if you know I'm hungry. Since 3 days now I've not eaten. Huh? Hi. Oh. Hope nobody.
The evil men do live after them. Wherever you sow, that you shall.
You came to my friend.
No.
You mean that this your niece, your brother's son? What is that your name?
Chukwuka.
Chukwuka. Chukwuka Dibia.
Dibia.
You mean that he gave you 50,000 naira?
Only.
You say only.
Only. Because he makes all the money.
Okay, we will come to that. But what does he do for a living?
I never sat him down like that to query. But he told me business.
Business, my food. Business, my food.
What do you mean?
Don't you know that armed robbery is also business? Huh? It's also business. Ikemba, my friend, walls do have ears. Okay. I beg we continue this discussion at that our own corner. At Ezinnes joint.
Okay.
I'm going to open your eyes to every ramification of this their business.
I can't wait.
You will listen to me agape. Your mouth will just be open by the time I finish opening up to you. Because when you plant, it will germinate. But if you uproot, it will wither. Akoya poor. Manefepo. Ya bonwa.
Ya bonwa. Enugwu agụ na mkpụrụ anụ wee gwakọọ nshi. Wee gwakọọ nshi. Hey! Agwalụ na Enugwu agụ gwalụ nshi. Mkpụrụ a na-emewe kenekene. Mkpụrụ a na-emewe kenekene. Chukwuka! Wuzamba! Because of the so much money you throw your father's way, he neglects me. He mocks me. He castigates me. Because I don't have a male child. He grows wings, enjoying your wealth alone. But henceforth, I'm going to turn things around in a way that all you have will be given to me, and your father will be pushed to a corner and remain there wretched. I begin to control your affairs, your wealth, everything about you, doing my biddings, working under my control. Okay, man. Nanduga. Kita. Wahoo. 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 Wahoo.
I hope you're enjoying it.
Oh. Very, very, Mama. I can't believe how much of your delicious food I have missed.
Oh my goodness.
The one we ate last night, eh? Oh, that one was something else, Mama. You do magic.
Brother, have you forgotten that Mama is a professional cook?
Yes, so...
Oh, don't you trust her again?
Brother, when are you bringing a wife for us?
Yeah, that's true. We need to see our wife.
Sister, when are you bringing husband for us?
Yeah. See, don't...
Mama Jikomo, go. We are talking about how you've been doing delicious food for us and satisfied. They don't bring a... Which one is this one?
Nah.
Mama.
Don't trivialize this, Tedo. Don't trivialize it. What she is saying is the right thing. This one you are eating and now I'm a chaka. It is your wife that is supposed to do this.
Do you think it's easy to find good women these days? All these children of Lucifer up and down that we are seeing. Good women ended when Papa married people like you.
It's a lie. Nah. Baduanya. You see them. They are everywhere too. These ones are they not good.
If you allow me to eat this to let it enter me. Huh?
No.
Mama.
Please, Mama, get yourself a wife. That is all we are asking for. Is it too much to ask?
Go more.
Yeah.
In due time, I shall bring one home. I'll bring one for you.
You are not convincing. You are not sounding convincing at all.
When I see a good woman, Mama, when will this one bring husband home? The thing is, by God's grace, very soon, I may bring my angel to you.
Oh, you have seen one already.
Very soon.
Bring the angel.
Watch it.
Yes.
Come with
You, when will you get married?
Hey, Axel. Hey.
If you people don't want to marry,
What's that? Please talk. My ears. Is she any news? It's about you, Mary. About me what? Please, Amaka, whatever it is, just keep it to yourself. I don't want trouble. No, I must say it, Nkechi. Remember, Mary told us that Nkiru's mother stole a handset. Yes, she did. No, she did not. Next time before you say anything, be very sure of what you want to say. And what are you saying? I thought you supported her. I'm sorry, Nkechi.
But I heard from a reliable source that Nkiri's mother did not steal the phone, but someone else did and put it in her bag just to paint her black.
What? Hey, wonder shall never end. I said it. Thank God, though. Hey.
And who is the reliable source?
Forget about the reliable source. You're enemy of progress. Onya Ashere. Amaka, please, let's go to Nkiri's house and break this news.
Please.
Please, don't follow us. Onya Ashere. I beg, leave that girl. She too dey gossip.
She's be spoiling people's names for no good reason.
Hey, yes, when Nkiru will be happy.
I just pray she's not angry with us.
Hey, yes, so.
Nkiru! They come out, so we have good news for you.
Help. What happened? God has done it.
Tell me. What has God done this time?
Amaka, please tell her what you told us few minutes ago.
Name. It's about the stolen phone that your mom was accused of stealing. She did not steal the phone. This is interesting.
Oh.
How did it get into her bag? Someone else took the phone and put it inside her bag.
Just to tarnish her image.
Exactly.
Hey. The mad.
I knew it from the beginning that she did not do it. It's okay. But trust me, I must find out who planned this.
Who is that? Who is that? Please come in. Oh, baby. How are you? How are you doing?
Fine.
I miss you.
I miss you too. I can see someone is enjoying here.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Let me start from this one.
Oh. Do you like it?
I love it.
Wow, that's very nice. Okay, so how is everyone at home?
They're all fine.
How about your cousin sisters? Kira and Olachi?
Why are they important here?
What is the problem? What is wrong with that?
Emeka, I can see you're falling for my sisters.
Hey, hold it there. What is your problem?
Well, I don't blame you. Good day.
What is wrong with Adako? I asked about your cousin sister, not strangers. So why will you be upset? You guys do things together, go to stream together, go to farm together. I don't see the reason why you'll be upset when I asked about them. Well, I don't know your problem. It's okay.
Why would Emeka ask me of those two village harlots? Does it mean Emeka has fallen in love with one of them? No, that will never happen. Emeka had to twist his voice in a romantic manner just to ask me of them. I will not fold my arms and watch those two village things take him away from me. Never. I think I should tell Mama to give me something to add to his meal so that his eyes will never see any other woman except me. The same way Mama grabbed Papa all to herself Yes, that is what I will do.
Now, wow. It seems you have a lot of wig.
My dear, I have there in the city. So I used to wear wig.
So when I was in the village, now you indirectly calling your friend the village girl.
Not like that,
No
problem.
problem. Oh.
Big, it's not like that. You know, there in the city, we wear a lot of wigs, different style, anyhow you want it. So forget about it. Is it? Nkiru, stop, Joe. Let's go.
You see this one?
Okay, I've heard you, ma. No problem. Before I go back to the city, I'll give it to you. Okay?
Yeah, because I talk I'm shoot to bed, the mama fly you. If you call one thing. Come on, you must give it to me. Oh.
No problem, Nkiru. I'll give it to you.
Okay. Oh, Helen, I trust you, Sha.
Hey, Nkiru, is your brother still around?
No, he has gone back to the city.
When did he go back?
Over 3 days now. Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem.
Nkechi, you know you are my friend. And you promised not to hide anything from me. So what is it?
It's not a big deal. I just want to be sure that the car he came back with belongs to him.
Of course. The car belongs to my brother. And he bought it with his heart-earned money. So?
I just had a fight with Ugochi and her sister today.
Which of her sister and what for?
Adak, of course. They have announced to the whole village that your brother is an armed robber.
What?
And I also heard that they took the car from the person they robbed it from. That's why he came back to the village.
What?
My dear, I'm not done yet. They said that they have declared your brother wanted in the city. That's why he ran back to the village for his safety.
This is serious.
My sister.
Nkechi, I will not take this. I have to go and confront them. My own sisters.
Nkiru,
enough of all this. Jesus.
Nkiru, come with it.
I need to go and confront you. Why would I want to like that? No.
You look angry. What is it?
I'm not only angry, Gochi, but I'm bitter. Want your sisters to stay away from my family members. My brother is not a thief. He bought his car with his hard-earned money. I won't want you again. Want them.
Nki, please wait. God, what is all this? Can my sister be this deadly? Oh my God. In my next world, I will never come to this family again. I'm tired. What is all this?
Hey, stop there. What gave you the impetus to come to my house with these two lifeless legs of yours?
Adako, please. I don't have your time. Let's go off me.
Will you shut your mouth there? When you were shouting like a mad dog, you forgot that you are going to give explanation, Abi?
Please, I know you guys don't get along. We are tired. We need to go home now.
Shut up, you cheap harlot.
Adako, please. I don't have your time. Nkechi, let us go.
We are going to go where?
I went to Ikiru's shop today to give her some money to buy some foodstuff. Guess what I saw? Hey.
Now you know now I am not good at guessing.
Customers were just trooping in, and they said that Nkiru is the best hairstylist in the community.
Do you mean it?
Yeah.
Hey, I thank God. Now, I know that Nkiru is going to make us proud.
Oh yes.
Hey, hey, so
Where is that Nkiru?
Do you know that now you can't leave her when something good has come and you are happy? Somebody would want to bring her own unhappiness. I don't mean it. Come and eat your chop. So now that is it, eh?
morning.
Morning, my sister. Have a seat.
Thank you.
This one came to my shop this morning. I hope all is well.
Nkiru, the mouth and the nose are too close to be enemies.
I know, my sister.
That is why I'm here. Because you are my sister. I will never see anything bad and allow it come near you.
Among all your sisters, you are my most cherished.
Thank you very much. I also want to use this medium to let you know that I am not a party to whatever that is happening in that house.
My sister, I already know all this. You don't need to say.
Nkiru, my parents and my sisters are not happy with your family because we don't have a male child.
What are you doing here?
My love.
Eh? Who is your love? Me? What are you doing here? I thought I told you not to come here again.
Please, my son.
What are you doing? Don't talk when I'm talking. What is your problem? Always sorry.
I don't know what came over me.
You don't know what's come over you.
Please, it will not repeat itself again.
This has been you. Always sorry, sorry, sorry. Are you not tired?
I'm deeply sorry.
Well, I forgive you. Just stand up. But listen. On one condition. I will never have anything to do with you if you don't love your sisters. I mean, they are your cousin sisters. I don't know. I don't see the reason why if I ask about them, you'll be upset. What is the problem?
I'm sorry. They are my sisters and I don't have any reason to hate them.
It's okay. You know, I've missed you. You know, you are my love now. I can't live without you. I miss you. Stop stressing me. I don't like you stressing me. Even when I look at all these things like this, I'm not for you.
Brother Zomba, thank you for the cola. Hey, you invited me.
Yes.
I want to know the purpose of this invitation. Yes.
Well, my brother Ikenga, we are not getting younger. You know that. So, I think it is good if we share the land our late father and our late mother gave us left behind while we are still alive.
There is nothing wrong in talking about it this early, but I was thinking that since we are not dying tomorrow, things like this can still wait. You know.
Well, it is right that we are not dying tomorrow. But wisdom says that we can do it now so that our children will not have any problem when we are gone. Onyema, Mwajabo.
But actually, it's good that this word is coming from your mouth because if you say wisdom says, I will wonder whether wisdom is human being.
Well, wisdom is not human being, but it is I'm man hearing them more.
It's all right. Let's find a date to sit together again and say we are moving on Nkwode or Ekede, Ori, and so on and so forth. to actually go and share the land. I support you quite well. Yeah.
All right. If you say so.
Yes.
We know the portion. You know your own portion. So then I just
When? I called three of us here to talk and deliberate on this issue of insecurity, child abuse, drug abuse, and also rape that has been happening in our society. It is high time we stop all this rubbish. So youth, what are we going to do?
Chairman, I respect you. As the vice chairman, I think our parents are no longer active. Yes. I calculate he wins the power.
Ebuchia, power. I think our parents are very much weak on this. You say weak? Yeah. What will make them to be weak? Mbagwam. Elehe no why game hardy weak. Our parents are supposed to be those people that are supposed to even be stronger than us to fight. Okay, if they are weak, are we not strong to fight?
Yes,
we are very strong.
So what are we going to do? That's a good pistol, my sister. We don't have gun. So who will fight for us?
Let's go meet our parents so that they will support us. So are we going to fold our hands and wait for our parents to fight for us?
No! So we have to fight for injustice in our society.
Yes!
Yes!
My people, we have said it all. That insecurity is a crime in our society. Child abuse is also a crime in our society. Rape is a crime in our society. It is high time we stop all this rubbish and all those what's the name? And all the dealers, SK, eyes, and all those rubbish. It is high time we stop it.
Youth, we need proper sanitation in this village. We need to sanitize this village. This is too much.
No more Burumiri, no more dealers.
No more Burumiri, no more dealers.
Yes, no more dealers. No more Burumiri, no more dealers.
Hey.
Ikemba, my friend, are you telling me that Udemba, your elder brother, had the intestinal fortitude to give you 2 plots of land and taken 3 instead of 2.5, 2.5? You, my friend, I know that is what you are thinking.
But that's what I'm thinking, actually.
Listen, you remember our English teacher in those days? He always said that birds of the same feather, they flock together. But, you know, the time you dropped, I went to higher school.
Yes.
I learned that it is changed to birds of identical plumage congregate in a fundamental propinquity. So, I know you very well. You are thinking of 2.5, 2.5.
Yes, as a very tight friend, but my anger rests on the pivot that his son gives him everything on earth. Everything on earth. Over and above my level. Yet he is not happy. He's not happy. But he looks at me with mocking eyes. Condescending look.
It shouldn't have been this way.
Can you imagine?
Because your relationship with him is based on consanguinity.
No!
It is blood relationship. That's what I'm saying.
What are you telling me?
At least for the fact that his son frequently send money to him will have to a certain extent abated his avarice, his cupidity, that's hunger for money. At least he will have. Tomio, I know you want 2.5.
He's not pretending about his mockery.
Hi! In that case, we are going to uproot that his son. The son that sent us money.
without wasting time. Who gives him too much pride? Let him be put in a square hole.
We're going to clip his wings.
Organic anako? Oh. Enugwago numpulana gagwanshi. Agwagwanshi. This man will begin to realize that hey, one day we go. Without your brother, you're empty. It should go pari passu.
Exactly.
So that nobody feels cheated or brought down level. What are we talking about?
That's why the whole thing will be based on quid pro quo.
Yes,
that's
sir.
Give and take.
We have a sine qua non. What are we talking about?
You know, in school, you have already dropped out when we learned that one.
I combined later now to come to Mpolana, the Nugwago. I recovered, repackaged, reembossed. Oh.
Let's go with you.
That is what you always.
It's a very good soup. I'm enjoying it.
Thank you. Children, I hope you are enjoying your food.
Yes, Mama.
Nah, come better no food.
Take it easy with the meat. Small. Okay, take that one.
I'm not taking again.
Take
I know you like meat.
Take that one.
Oh,
it's
Children, I hope you are enjoying, huh? No. But you want to mix water? Okay. Eat now. Are you okay? What is it? Drink water now. What is it now, eh? Papa. Yakwado.
Mama, give him water to drink.
He said he's not drinking water.
Mama, drink water.
Papa, you don't. Papa, what is it?
Papa now. Papa, stop this. Papa.
Jesus.
Papa.
Mama.
Papa. What is it? Oh, woman!
Papa,
no.
Hey, Papa.
Oh, woman!
Papa.
Hey.
Papa.
Papa, please don't
do this,
Papa.
Papa.
Papa, what is this?
Papa, please don't do this.
Oh, woman!
Papa.
What is this now? What is happening?
Papa.
Is nobody around here?
Papa.
Oh, woman!
Chukwuka, how are you?
Uncle, I'm fine. And how is everyone at home?
That's exactly why I called.
Is there anything the matter, Uncle? What about my mother and my father? How are they?
Your mother is okay, but your father is not.
Hey. Uncle, please talk to me. What's going on? It's my father okay? Or you took him to hospital?
Oh, he's not in the hospital. In fact, let me just break the news. There's no point hiding anything. Your father is no more. Your father is now out of this world.
Oh no! Hey! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hey! Look at how Zomba is lying down dead like a dead goat. Ew! Did Amaka? What did he eat? What did he eat? Yeah! What did he eat? Yeah! Hey! Help!
This man, they always give money to my family.
What did he eat? What did you give it to Zomba?
What do you mean by what did you give to Zomba?
Something happened. Your mother poisoned him. That's the truth.
Did I hear you say my mother poisoned my father?
You can't see your father again. Bear the loss, please. We all are in pains. Okay? Okay. Yeah, sorry. Please. Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness. Hey! Look at how Zomba is lying down there like this.
Hey!
Oh!
Is it not the same food that I ate that I gave him?
Are you
Is it
sure?
not the same food that I ate that I gave him?
Hey! Jamaka, are you sure? Eh?
What kind of question are you asking me?
I don't know. The Jamaka death. This death is a suddenly death. Oh. It's a suddenly death.
Hunger will kill me and my children.
Child.
Who will give us money again?
Child.
It's
That's why you are here.
okay.
You have If you like, you don't go and look for money and food.
The evil men do live after them.
Ude? Finally the Iroko has fallen.
There for my friend. Drink, enjoy, and forget your sorrow.
And symptomatically and egregiously, I see more falling.
Exactly.
More falling.
You see, it wasn't a question of whether they will fall. Instead, it's a question of when they will fall.
Timing!
Exactly.
Timing!
Because when you plant, it will germinate. When you uproot, it will wither.
Hey!
Ekunye yapu.
Yapu.
Gifepu. Yapongwa.
Yapongwa. Mgbe ahụ, Enugu agụ na mkpụrụ anị, wee gwakọọ nshi. Gwakọọ nshi. Were gwakọọ nshi.
Gwakọọ nshi.
Gwakọọ nshi.
Okay, when is the burial? My friend, it's next Friday. We are preparing now.
Okay, I will tell my mom so that we come 2 days before the burial.
Yeah, thank you so much and God bless you.
Amen. Not only me, you too. Let me rush before my mom start worrying.
Okay, my friend. Thank you. See you till then.
Now that the burial of your father has come and gone, I wouldn't want you to stay more in this village. Because
Yeah, Mama is right.
I heard Papa was poisoned.
No one can really tell. All we know is that he died mysteriously.
I heard it from the food he ate the night he died.
Who told you? And don't tell me you started listening to side talks. Bros, wake up.
Chuka. The food in question was cooked by me and it was eaten by all the members in this family. And I personally ate with your father, just the way we usually do. I ate with him from the same plate. Chuka, are you suspecting I killed your father, my husband? Are you? No, tell me, are you?
Mama, no. It's just that I'm trying to figure out something.
Something like what?
Oh.
Nah.
Live after them, wherever you sow, that you shall reap. What goes up must come down.
Hey, talk.
There is for sure.
Chukwuka, this Opo will come in between you on the one side, your mother and the rest on the other side, and create a wedge of enmity. Forever. 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 Forever.
How are you getting on with the shop?
Very well. I need to see if your customers are
Okay.
Just give me like 2 months now. The whole money invested in that shop. I'll get it times 10.
Hey, thank God. Nkiru.
Mama.
This thing is really bothering me. For the past 6 months and even more, your brother has not sent anything to us. What is really happening?
Mama, the worst of it all is that Chukwuka don't call anymore. No calls from him. I wonder what is going on.
Do you know that I heard that your brother has visited the village twice in a week?
So, Mama, if what you're telling me is true, where did he stay then?
He stayed in your uncle's house. Oh.
This is serious.
Very serious.
Oh my God. I wonder what is really happening to us.
Do you know he parked his car in your uncle's house and traveled back to the city with a commercial vehicle?
Why won't he go to Uncle Kenga's house when you killed our father? Or are you blind?
Olachi, how dare you talk to Mama in such an arrogant manner?
As for you, you were a blind sister, and thus you can't even see the truth.
I don't blame you. I wonder what is wrong with you.
Olachi, so this is you.
Witch.
This is really you, Olachi.
Wicked woman. Your evil deeds will soon catch up with you.
Mama is okay.
Hey.
Mama is okay.
I
just pray that
what is happening to my children? What is happening?
I just pray that one day they will all come back to their senses.
Let that one day not be late too. Let it not be late.
You want me to start crying? I don't cry now. Because no, Mama. See the Biko.
Mama, what is happening to us? The only means to have a survivor. Mama,
look at me. Mama, what is happening?
It's okay.
Only myself survivor, Mama. Mama, what is happening?
It's okay.
Mama, who did you offend?
It is okay.
Mama.
Ozugo, it is okay. I don't even know what is happening myself. I cannot even say what is happening. For 8 months now, your father died. Everything has turned around negatively. I don't know why, but I know that God is there. You are watching. You are watching.
Okay, I believe that whosoever did this thing to you have a hand in your father's death.
My friend, you will not understand, Amaka, my friend. We are going to die of hunger, Amaka.
What is going on here?
Hello, my sister.
Did anybody die?
I don't know who set my shop ablaze.
Oh, that's why you're crying.
Olachi.
I'm coming.
Mama, what is wrong with my sister?
It's okay, you have me and Mama.
Mama.
It's okay.
Leave your sister.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Jesus! Olachi! What did you do that? That serves you right. I saw you guys weren't producing enough tears. I decided to help.
It's okay.
God! It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Put yourself together. Okay?
Now, can you listen? Listen. He holds the key to your life. Can you listen to me? He holds the key to your life. When sickness and trouble try to take your soul away, Ozugonu, he holds the key to your life. Hello? Nnam, Chuka, how are you? We are fine too, we are fine. I am fine, I'm well, but I need some money for our upkeep. And you also know that your sister is going to register for WAEC, so I need money for all that. Oh, thank you, my son. Thank you so much. What did I just tell you? What did I just say? You're telling me you need some money for what? What do you need for it? Listen to us. Don't ever try to pull my life again. Wait, tell me anything about what? Who are you? I was speaking with my son. Who are you? I don't have to say that. Chukwuka! Chukwuka! Chineke me, what happened? Chukwuka! He has gone. He has gone. Chukwuka, you're not pick my call now.
Yes. You can imagine her asking me for money for their upkeep. Eh? Every time. What nonsense.
And what's wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that. First, she's your mom. It's your responsibility. Me?
Don't you dare interfere with something that has nothing to do with you, my friend.
Is this really you?
Don't dare interfere with things that has nothing to do with you.
You slapped me.
Yes, and I will do more of that if you don't keep your mouth shut. I will do it without any regret.
Thank you very much.
Ah! Every time, money. Every time, money, right transfer. You can go to hell if you so wish to.
Nkiru, you are really trying. It's going to be good though.
I know, Mama.
It shall be well with you.
I know, Mama. But, Mama, I wonder why Papa kept quiet in the grave. Can't Papa fight for us? Eh, Mama?
God is going to fight for us. Allow God to fight for us. It's God and God alone who is going to fight.
Witch. Stupid woman. Foolish woman. Wicked woman. Foolish woman. Olachi. What are you still doing alive? Why are you calling Mama a witch? What is it? Is she not a witch? Or are you not a witch?
Is it me you are calling me a witch?
Are you not a witch? You killed our father. You were a witch.
You have said this several times. Olachi, you are still calling me a witch?
Mama, you're a witch. You're a witch. Die. Die, Kwana, let me get married. I don't know why you're still alive. I need to get married. You should better die.
Mama, Jesus, blood. Somebody help. Mama. Hey, my God. Somebody help. Hey, Mama. Mama, please stand up. Mama. Olachi. Mama. Mama, please stand up. Mama.
Mama, please, stop crying. Try and eat something, even if it's just a little. Biko, Mama, oh. Biko.
Nkiru,
Mama.
have you ever stopped to ask yourself what is really happening? What is happening? My only son, my only beloved son, just did a U-turn facing the other way and backing me. He has forgotten me like this. What did I do to him? What did I do to him?
Mama, Brother Chukwuka did not turn his back on us. All is not well, Mama. There is more to this happening. Biko, no, Mama. Eat your food.
I am not hungry.
Mama, please.
I'm not hungry. What have I done to you?
Jesus! Witch, you will die of starvation in this house because there's no peace for the wicked.
Olachi, all these things you are doing, you will see the reward.
I don't think so.
Olachi, you poured sand into my food.
Mama, it's okay.
You poured sand into my food.
Mama, it's okay.
Hey!
We are not going to die of
What
hunger.
have I done to these children? What have I done to you people? Oh, God.
Mama, we are not going to die of hunger. Yeah? There's a little money I saved from my business. We will survive with it. Yeah? It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's fine. We'll survive with it. Don't cry again. It's okay.
What are you doing with that pot? What are you doing with that pot? Come. What are you doing with this pot? Talk before I match at you. What are you doing with this pot?
Sorry. It's your sister that asked me to wash the pot.
Who is sister?
Your sister.
Remove this cap first. I said, what are you doing? So you have been the one causing problem between me and my sister. Hey! Ufere! Uju! Ujunwa! Come!
What happened?
Do you ask this guy to touch this pot?
Do what with the pot? Eh? What are you doing with my pot? Come on, can't you talk? What are you doing with my pot?
Please, I will not do it again.
Do what? Oh, so it has been you all this while, Abi?
Talk.
So you are the one eating my food all this while?
If you move and eat now, I will deal with you personally. Today.
Come and see the tea. Come on, I'll take it in the village.
Oh, wait, come. Carry the pot, come. Carry it.
It has been you all this while.
Carry one.
So I will cook you, come and carry it.
Wait, come this side, come.
Wait! Off mute. Gwen! It is said that every day for the thief, one day for the owner. My people, according to the customs and tradition of this our land, any youth that is found stealing will dance around the community with that he or she is caught with.
Yes.
Ufere, you are a thief, and now that you are accused, you are also caught. Therefore, the customs must take its place. Move it.
Wait. Ufere. Aya, carry that yam that you was eating. Carry. Aya.
Move it.
Alachi.
Yes, Papa.
The word of your mother?
That's which. She's there. She's at home.
So you finally realized that she's a witch?
She's a witch, of course. But that's not what brought me here. Papa. My husband and his people will be coming next week to pay my dowry. So I want it to be done here.
Wonderful news. Here will always accept you. Anytime, any day.
Thank you so much, Papa.
And have you informed your brother?
That one? I don't need to inform him when I have Papa. Papa can do everything for me.
I'll be ready for you. Any way I can help, I'm there.
Thank you so much, Papa.
You don't have a problem. Okay.
Papa. I want to be on my way. I'll see you next time.
Please do. I'll be watchful. Jealous people are everywhere.
Yes, Papa.
Beware of them.
Yeah, okay, Papa.
Bueno.
Alright, Papa.
Yeah. Get me banana. This is very alluring. Get me banana. Let me eat with this. I hope you have banana.
Yes.
I think I bought about a week ago, and it's ripe now.
Yes.
It's ripe. It's ripe. Go and get it.
But Papa, did you hear what she said?
What did she say?
Papa, Olachi is not going to get married before me.
I am your father. I know what is good for you. It will happen that way. Oh, you have nothing to fear. Nothing should shake you. Oh.
I trust you.
But
I trust my father.
Yeah.
You can't go one. Let me go and get the banana for you.
Get banana.
How can he tell me he's no longer interested? How could he? Ugonna said it's over between us. He even threatened to kill me if I come anywhere close to him. After so many years we spent together in happiness and love, after everything we shared together,
Ola, why are you crying?
Get out of here if I deal with you! You can't say that. You know you're my sister. I can't watch you cry without showing concern.
You know my sister. Is that too difficult for you to understand? Leave me alone!
My good friend, Kemba, why have you come to my shrine empty-handed?
How can I do such a thing? Come in. This is it.
Yes. My friend, what do you want me to do for you?
Ikemba, my friend here, needs your help.
I don't see the way. Mwaki beya. Aba odiku zabaya mbabo. Remember, I know his problem.
Yes. You know my problem?
Your friend want to take over his brother's properties.
Huh? Yes. Not only that, his farms.
Wait! I'm not done. I'm not done. Okay. You also, your target is to cause confusion between your brother's wife and his son, so that they will love you and hate the entire family.
You see it? I told you that this is the end of discussion for your problem.
In that case, what are we still doing here? Let's move into action immediately.
Let him finish his instructions.
All right. Solution to that. You will put his picture. Yes. Mba.
There's no way you can carry this along.
No, don't worry. I have a...
Careful.
Okay, let's go. I know. Adama. We will be back.
Who never wants to? Huh? Mba!
Hello, Becky. How are you?
Don't touch me. Brother, go back to your house and look after your mother and your sisters. This is not your house.
Ugochi, are you okay? I mean, are you crazy? Why are you talking to me this way?
You can say whatever you like. I don't care.
Hey, Ugochi, am I the one you are talking to this way?
Your mother is there, you know. Go back to your house. Your mother is there, you know.
Ugochi!
When sickness and trouble seeks to take your soul away, He holds the key to your life. When sickness and trouble seeks to take your soul away, He holds the key to your life.
Jesus. Nkiru, what happened to Mama?
Amaka, my friend. Ever since my sister Olachi pushed my mother down, she has been sick.
Where is Olachi?
Ever since then, Olachi has been in my uncle's house.
Is your brother aware of this?
Amaka, 2 of them are now living in my uncle's house.
Okay, let's take Mama to the hospital.
My friend, with what? Is it with paper or money? There's no money, my friend.
It's okay. Let's take Mama inside.
It's alright. Thank you.
Remember, my mind is troubled.
What is the problem? Open up to me and your friend.
Is this a little girl called Nkiru?
That brat.
That brat?
What about her?
If I want to machinate from this angle, she goes and blocks there. I go there, the something applies.
Ikemba, what you are saying is that she constitutes a spiritual impediment to you.
That is it.
That's nonsense.
That is it.
That's nonsense. I know that little brats like that, they are initiated in one mushroom cult or the other. But that's not a problem. Look, we are going to get to the root of the matter. So if we don't get it from the shrine of Igodo, we will look for it in the spiritual coven of the great Oriental Masters. Because whenever you plant, it will germinate. When you uproot, it will wither. Who is Nkiru?
Nkiru.
What is this early morning? Why are you crying? It's okay. How is Mama?
Everything is getting worse.
Everything
is getting worse.
It's okay. How is Mama? It's okay. I bought something for you and Mama. But before I give you need to put a smile on that face, yeah? That's good. Hey.
God bless.
song is sweet. I tell you, when they over them. Oh. How you feel like?
I told you guys that someday you meet your Waterloo.
Yes.
Thank God today your cups are filled.
So what are we still waiting for? Let's kill them immediately.
No! Jungle justice is a crime in our society.
Then use, what are we going to do?
As the youth leader has said earlier, that jungle justice is a crime in this society. So I suggest that we take them to the police station immediately.
Yes!
How are you doing?
Oluchi, good morning.
Fine morning, my love. How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Oluchi. Anyways, I'll be traveling to the city with Barachuka tomorrow morning. If you don't mind, you can join us.
Safe journey.
Oluchi, if you care to join us, that would be better. So that your wicked mother can slowly die in our pains.
Oluchi, please hold it there. How dare you call my mother a wicked woman?
Or do you rather prefer I call her a witch or the thief that she already is?
Oluchi, please leave my house and never come back again.
Hold it there.
Please leave.
Hey, before you say it, I'm already leaving. Fools.
So, Brother Chukwuka is traveling to city with Oluchi. Chai! God. Please do something before it's too late.
Ngiru! By virtue of this my manipulation, you'll be a dead human being tomorrow. By this hour same tomorrow, those who paid condolence visits are leaving your compound. Ngiru! Kiairu! 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 Kiairu!
The evil men do live after them. Wherever you sow, that you shall reap. What goes up must come down. That is for sure.
Haven't you died? Emube. I've seen ghosts! I've seen ghosts! I've seen my ghost! I've seen my
Abara kibe ya. Mmụọ ka mmụọ. Ebu sare jeje. Ashi ochimite ojuo ya dọrọ. Onye ochimna ahụ okwu na eri onye ọbụ. Abawa dịka ịzagba ya mgbe abụọ. Ọfọ. I know why you are here, my good friends. Yes. Nkiru can never be killed by any mortal or spirit. No, where is this? I want to know. Yes. The only thing you can do is to put her into a miserable condition, but not to take away her life. No!
What do you mean by that, wise one?
I don't have the strength to eat.
You need to eat something. You can't stay like this, Mama. Please, try and eat.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay, I am getting weaker by the day.
No, Mama, don't say that. Mama, don't say that. If anything should happen to you now, my world is finished. Hey, Mama, Bikono.
Your words were not finished. I am not going to die. But if I die, I am going to still be there for you.
No, Mama, don't say that.
I will be there to defend you.
Mama, don't say that.
I am not going to be like your father, who is dead and quiet. I will fight.
Mama, no. Mama, don't say that again.
I am not like your father, who is quiet and dead. I will fight.
Mama.
I will fight.
Mama, you can't say that.
I will fight for you.
Mama, please. You're getting me scared with all those words you're saying to me. Please, Mama, don't say that again. Nothing is going to happen to you. Yeah, Mama? 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 Wait. Mama, please. Mama, please. You are all I have. Mama, please eat something. This one you're looking this beautiful. What is happening?
I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow to see my parents.
Yeah. Just that I'm going to miss you. So you want to leave me?
The call was urgent. I'll be back after 3 days.
You know, you're the only friend I have in this village. If you leave me now, who will I talk to?
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Yeah, my friend.
I will have something for you.
Who will I be gisting with now if you travel?
Beg, I'm coming back. Just take this thing and manage, please, till I come back.
Oh, my friend. Oh. What would I have done without you?
You're my friend. I can do anything for you.
Thank you.
Stop saying that.
Kichi, all this money for me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Get up!
I said get up. Can't you hear me? Stand up.
Hola, good morning.
What is good about the morning? See, listen to me. For real, I hate you. Thank God Mama is dead. You'll be the next in line.
Olachi,
Yes?
I'm your sister.
Sister indeed. Excuse me.
Mice! Hola! I can see.
alone!
God.
Jesus, my eyes!
God, what is happening to
Leave me alone! Get away from me!
God, what is happening? What have you done to deserve all this calamity? God!
Oh, God! I can't see anything.
What is all this?
Oh my!
What is all this? What have you done to deserve this, God?
I can't see again.
Who have we offended? God, why? God, why? God, why? God, why? God, why? God, why?
Who did this to me?
What is happening to us? What is happening to us? What is happening, God? What is happening? What have we done?
Wale gini kamerele, chimo gini kamerele, owe gini kameregi, iji wene mo wakwana mo, ewo ye kanga bakuru, umunne mo edekulo, wale aju ebe maru ezi nwanne m akwarịrị egbe nwa gị nna m akwarịrị egbe m.
My brothers, is this how person die?
I wonder.
That's why if they tell them to take it easy on their driving, they will say no.
I never imagine.
My brother, please, what happened?
My sister is an accident too.
Accident? How? Boy or girl? Where? How? When? How? Who? Boy or girl?
My dear, it's just a small girl that was about crossing May Road. Okada knocked her.
Oh
She
my
died
God.
instantly.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Which hospital?
The girl died instantly. So since no one could recognize her corpse, they took her to the nearest mortuary.
Jesus!
What are you carrying?
Good morning. It's Gary.
And where did you get it from?
Adaku, please, leave me alone. I'm very happy today. I want to go and soak this guy.
Really?
Yes.
Ada, please! By the time I'm through with you, you will know that the stomach is not afraid of anything. That is the reason why he's at the front. Stupid girl.
What have I done to deserve all this? How am I going to get this guy again? God, which kind of life is this? One day you know how I suffer to get what this guy now. What am I going to do? What am I going to feed on? Oh, God.
Chai, they have finally succeeded in killing another person.
I'm alone. I'm alone now. I'm home alone.
My friend, you are not alone. God will bring back your brother. You are not alone.
I wonder why my parents kept quiet. Especially my mother. She promised me that she will fight for me even in her grave. Now what is happening?
Remind her of her promise. It's okay. Just stop crying. It's okay. Come, let me dress your hair.
I wonder why my mother kept quiet. I'm not alone.
It's okay.
I don't have anybody to run to.
It's okay.
My mother promised me that she will fight for me.
It's
Now
okay.
what is happening? What is happening to me? Nkechi, my friend. She promised me that she will fight for me.
Mommy, chair.
Hey! Wow, 1 minute.
Mama,
that is what? Okay. Oh. Wow, 1 minute.
Mommy. Mama.
Hey! Cheers. What? Okay, Chai! Ekwekwala shigi mu o. Ekwekwala shigi shebe. Li onyo wala shigi be. Li ahe mekuya. What the mo?
Nemo.
I think Oluchi is coming back today.
Yes. She said she will come back today, but it's already late now.
Hey, let Oluchi come back. Let me see my daughter.
Hi,
my daughter. Oluchi the city girl. Hey! Oluchi the city girl.
Mama, my sister.
Hey! Enjoyment. Oh, what no that. Don't drink it. Oh.
No, Mama. Hey,
I know you can drink from drink to red. Oh no.
What will you do?
Hey!
Auntie, good evening. Adako, good evening.
What is good about this evening? And why are you here?
Auntie, I came to check if my brother Chukwuka is back.
Hi! Are you not blind? No. Are you blind that you cannot see this our motor car that is parked outside here? Is it not enough evidence to tell you that Chukwuka, our son, is back?
Auntie, please. Can I see him?
Yes, you can see him.
Go to the backyard and call Chukwuka for me.
Okay, Mama.
I hope you understand.
Yes.
Thank you, Auntie.
Shift. Don't come and block this place for me. I need fresh air.
Now get out! I said get out!
Go! I've taken your verses.
Mama, this girl did not know that we were from there.
Mama, in fact, cheers. Hey! Oh. Hey!
Glad to see you, brother.
Look at
Mommy! Mama!
Iwato! Atole!
You're my real mother!
There's nothing person will not see in this household. Jesus. Brother Chukwuka's picture inside calabash. Brother Chukwuka's picture inside calabash. So this is what Papa did to Brother Chukwuka that made him forget his family. It is alright. Today, I will tear this picture and nothing will happen.
Chukwuka! Come, let's go now. The occasion, they will soon close now. Eh? And Dikemba is waiting for us there. Chukwuka! If you're coming out, come out with my handbag on the table. Oh, don't forget it. Dikemba is waiting for us at least. Let us go to this photo so that you can pick us and bring us back. Chukwuka, what are you doing with a cutlass?
What am I doing here? What am I doing in this compound? What is my car doing here? Where are my sisters? Where is my mother?
Your mother? Have you forgotten that your mother is dead?
You are the one dead. You are the one dead!
No, your mother is dead!
It's a lie! You are evil woman! You are the one dead, you evil woman! Hey! Mama! Mama! Nkiru! Mama! Mama!
Oh my God.
Mama! Mama! Nkiru! Where is Mama?
I am very sorry. I'm so ashamed of myself. I can't believe all of this happened. Oh.
I'll finish you.
Ah, that mercy for me now. You know,
play.
Ada, Auntie Mo. Hey, please now.
Oluchi, did you hear what Mama said that happened yesterday?
Ada, no be small thing, no. He thinks he can run away from us just like that. Hey, no way now. Trust me.
I know, Papa. He can't go one.
Papa.
We must bring him back here.
Father. I trust our father now. I know him very well.
Oluchi, did you just knock
me? Ada, knock you. Biko, I did not knock you. How can I knock you now?
Look at this stupid girl. You know when you say you did not knock.
Ha! Look at her. Ah! Ada! What kind of no sister are you now? I said I did not knock you and you knocked me.
I said you knocked me.
I didn't knock you now. Eh? And then why will you say I knocked you? I did not knock you. Oh! I will kill you today. I will kill you. I will kill you. Okay.
I'm not here to teach you your work, Great Igodo. When you consult the gods, whatever they tell you that should be the punishment of people like that, if it is hydrocele, Ibi, you give it to them. That is not my business. Agulam Nolu. I rest my case, Igodo. Udemba. I'm hearing you. So it's your getting Nansobu. Mui Godo Gadabachir ụzọ. Arụsị ogugu onwe ya. Okay. I did not understand the question before. The gods are right. I never know they were asking what brought me. It is a vehicle, motor, that brought me here. How? Oh, it's okay, team Nanso. Get up. Since soon na bianga mage mandi ozo. Oh, we na bianga ki team Nanso. Eh? Emamelo. Imara na hi ireku. N'eziokwu dị ya. The oath and declaration I'm making is that it is vehicle that brought me here, and if it is not vehicle that brought me here, I mean, well, what the
Shut up, your mouth! Don't tell me lie. Shut up, your mouth! Don't tell me lie. Join Nasobu. Inwale. Olielaga. Ibi. Elakwaga. Sina shira for nwa.
Tell the gods now. Say
Sina shira for. Aga apanya gi ibi. Ebe na atojo. Sina shira for.
You mean the
Aga ibi. Sina shira for.
You mean the ibi is for me or for
Okay then.
All motor.
Hey! Webu sale jeje. No chiti na nsogbu. Monwa igodo. Ndị ya kemgbe mgbe ọhịa chiri ya rie. Okirikiri ya na bukosa na-enyi elu. Agba ọdịka izu ọgba ya mgbe abụọ. Chai! Ịgọsọ ekele m unu. Ekele m unu. Ebe unu nwere ike nwe obi ọmụ na-achọ ka emegide m. Agaghị atụrụ m asị nsi. Amaghị m n'ọnwa asị. Ihe mmadụ amara agaghị egbu ya. Ọrụ m niile m na-arụrụ ha bụkwa site na ihe ha gara m. Ama etu unu mere ka m mata. Nkume! Arụsiọgụ! Eke nwe ọhịa! Unu emeela. Biko unu gbaghara m. Ọwa amaghị ama. Ama na-egbu mmadụ. Eji m ofe ọkọfọ ma nji ya nọ. I killed my brother's wife. I then quit my brother. You don't know. The year has come. The month is following. Look at the minutes following. The second is here with us. Of fire. The second is here with us. Of fire. The secondus. Of fire. Alachi. Ọgwụ m sị gị laghachi gị. Ọlachi asị m na ọgwụ m sị gị laghachi gị. You'll never get married before any of my daughters. You will get blindness as impediment to the coming of any suitor that gets interest in you. Agayaga. She was made blind in the process. Then I paid an Okada man to kill Olaji.
evil men do, live after them. Wherever you sow, that you shall reap. What goes up must come down, that is for sure. Gine yo isigana pota, oh yo jo. Paro moko buri mana nti chiri ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. The evil you do must come back to you, 'cause no man is above the judgment of God. What goes up must come down, that is for sure. Gine yo isigana pota, oh yo jo. Paro moko buri mana